Welcome back. Today we'll explore the intermediate level program for improving auditory sensitivity in young children. At this stage, we make everyday sounds more predictable and give your child more control over what they hear. Let's start by preparing them for loud sounds. Before using a vacuum, blender, or hairdryer, give a simple warning. You might say, "In 1 minute, I'm going to turn on the vacuum. It will be loud, but you are safe." Then offer a choice. Your child might stay with headphones, move to their quiet space, or listen for just 5 seconds before you stop. Knowing what is coming and how long it will last can make the sound less frightening. Next, let your child control the sound when appropriate. Show them the appliance while it is switched off. Let them safely explore the buttons, then agree on a very short trial. Count down together. 3, 2, 1, and let them switch it on for 2 seconds. Stop at the agreed time and ask, "Was that too loud, okay, or easy?" Increase the time gradually only when they are comfortable. Finally, work on grooming sounds. Start with a hairdryer or clippers at a distance. Over time, move closer as your child becomes comfortable. Let them explore the device while it is switched off, and when ready, choose a setting or briefly switch it on themselves. Headphones or ear defenders can still be used when needed. Most importantly, respect stop when your child asks. Comfort grows when sounds become predictable and children know they have some control. Return to the Locus therapy app to continue your child's personalized program.